Hi guys, it's Jada, and I'm going to be showing you how to do eggs in a microwave. It's pretty simple, pretty easy, and it hurries up your day. Leo. Shh. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, so we have the egg, the cup, the milk, and that's all you need. And just a fork. This is a big fork that Livy.
So we like doing this.
Yeah. Okay, so we crack the egg. I'm an amazing cracker. So, I'm professional. Here, then put it right here. This is what it looks like, pretty. Crack the beautiful egg. Slimy. Okay, then we have this. Yeah. Okay, then we put milk. Just a little bit. Hi, pajama boy.
You're gonna be on a YouTube video.
Okay, then we do a little bit, half of milk. I just don't really know when to stop because I love milk. So you just put as many as you want in there. Okay. Wait, we need a spoon actually. Then we do, where's the spoon?
Are you sure?
Yeah, because we need to like scramble. Well, I guess fork's fine. You can use fork or spoon, your choice. Okay.
You know how people do like, here, hold this, don't show me though. How they do like they do it all fancy and stuff.
Yeah, I know. We can add a little pepper and stuff like that. No! Why? Okay, wow, okay.
Oh.
Whoa!
Did I crack the cup?
No, you didn't.
Oh.
Livy, you should have just left it to me. I'm just kidding.
Because Jada's the fanciest
No.
cracker.
Okay, so, I don't like seeing messes. So let's wipe that up. Okay. Now, since we all have it all scrambled up, we're gonna put it in this beautiful microwave that I wish I had.
I bet there's like an egg setting on here.
You put your egg in the pot and you
press cook. Eggs! They do. Somebody else had this
let's
idea.
just do the regular thing because I don't want it to
Wait.
overcook.
Omelet, potato, scrambled. It'll like sense it.
This is very electronic.
2 eggs.
And now we're right. Okay. Blast off. Then we open this fridge. Fridge. We open the microwave. Then come over here with me. And okay, you take your big fork. You scramble it until it's all pretty and mashed up. Then you can add a little salt and pepper. Where do you keep your salt and pepper? Then you can add your mini little salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. And then, voila. Then we're going to eat both of our... do you want any? No.
Well, do you want some eggs?
Yes, ma'am.
I was gonna ask my mom if I could have some dippy hot.
Just have a taste of my famous eggs.
You should have taught Will how to do this. He could do
It's
this.
really easy and it's really on the go.
Yeah.
It's just like other eggs. I mean, like, there's eggs right there. And it's very healthy for you. This is the egg. A really good thing to drink is orange juice. It has vitamin C.
It helps you not get sick.
It helps you not get sick. It's really good. Just like other eggs that you boil on a pan. Same thing. Yes, eggs are really good for you.
Eggs, 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 eggs,
Boiled
eggs,
eggs.
eggs.
We should make an egg song later. So, bye. Here's my little mess I made, but it's fine because it's good to make messes sometimes. I have a lot of quotes. I do a lot of quotes. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
This is the egg. A really good thing to drink is orange juice. It helps you. Helps. I don't really know what orange juice does to you, but it's really good.
That's vitamin C.
It has vitamin C.
That helps you not get sick.
It helps you not get sick.
Oh no. Not again, Will.
Hi.
Are you training to kill me? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
No, she wasn't.
It's real. I hope you like my tutorial. I just want to eat everything, don't you know? So.
On your arm.
Oh, the dog's eating it. You like my eggs, right? Yeah. She loved my eggs. Delish. She thinks it's delicious. Your brother and you don't think it's delicious.
Nope.
Bad dog, what you gonna do when I come for you? Do you know that song?
Yeah.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the tutorial. Hope you guys liked it. Bye. Eggs, egg, 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 crap!